Most people see a walkway as a way to get from point A to point B. A senior designer sees it as a physical transition for the soul. Today, we are performing material alchemy on the very ground you step on. We are moving beyond standard flat pavers and revealing the structural logic behind barefoot architecture and the sensory physics of walking meditation. We've turned raw, unyielding stone and delicate living ground covers into a geometric skeleton that slows down time itself. If you're ready to step onto a path that actually breathes with you, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Tactile Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. On Tuesday, we mastered the acoustics of our sound sanctuaries, but today, we are grounding our awareness through touch. In 2026, the ultimate luxury isn't just about what you can see or hear. It's about what you can feel beneath your feet. We are taking raw slate, smooth river pebbles, and fragrant creeping herbs to perform alchemy on a tight, overlooked side yard. Today, we aren't just paving. We are engineering sustainable luxury you can feel. Let's step into the logic. Tactile integrity. 5 senior designer secrets to a sensory garden path. 1. The philosophy of barefoot architecture. In the world of Beki Decor, a garden walkway is not just an engineered surface. It is an emotional speed bump. This is the core of material alchemy. When dealing with a limited outdoor footprint, most people lay down a solid, continuous pour of concrete or tight, interlocking pavers. This is a missed design opportunity. It rushes the eye and the feet across the space, making the yard feel short, functional, and small. In 2026, we introduce barefoot architecture to break this cycle. We design paths that intentionally slow you down by engaging your tactile senses. When your feet register the shift from a cool, smooth slate flagstone to a soft, springy cushion of living moss, your brain shifts from frantic autopilot into deep presence. By creating a physical rhythm on the ground, we expand the perception of space. This is how we achieve infinite volume, not by adding square footage, but by deepening the experience of the square footage you already have. Two. The geometric skeleton. Balancing hard and soft logic. Let's look at the technical layout of our sensory path, our geometric skeleton. To achieve a high-end, architectural look, you must balance what I call hard logic and soft logic. The hard logic is our structural framework, oversized, hand-selected slate slabs with raw, fractured edges. These provide the stability, the flat plane, and the social anchors where your feet land securely. But the magic happens in the gaps. Instead of filling the joints with rigid mortar, we apply soft logic. We space our major pavers exactly 8 centimeters to 10 centimeters apart. Within these intentional negative spaces, we introduce a vibrant, living tapestry of creeping thyme and Irish moss. This gap serves as a breathing joint. When you walk, your stride is broken into deliberate, rhythmic steps. This layout ensures total luminous integrity, as the sun catches the contrast between the dark, matte stone and the bright, velvet green growth beneath it. 3. Modern stone walkway ideas. Elongating small spaces. For those looking for modern stone walkway ideas for small backyards, spatial orientation is everything. If you have a narrow side yard, running uniform square pavers in a straight line creates a runway effect that makes the walls feel like they are closing in. Our solution is an offset, organic linear progression. We alternate the widths of the slate slabs and allow the edges to dissolve into a sea of small, dark pea gravel and river rocks. This breaks the hard, predictable boundary line. The eye can no longer easily track where the path ends and the garden begins, which shatters the landscape flatness. By using dark charcoal slate against pale green ground covers, we create a high-contrast canvas that looks like a curated modern gallery, anchoring the property while giving it room to breathe. Sensory planting. The scent and feel of the step. A sensory path must engage more than just the soles of your feet. It must interact with your entire movement. This is why we choose touch-responsive, durable plants for our living joints. My absolute favorite for this is Thymus sapillum, creeping thyme. Creeping thyme possesses incredible tactile integrity. It can handle being stepped on, and when your foot gently presses against its leaves, it releases a subtle, sweet, herbal aroma into the air. This is atmospheric curation driven by physical contact. You are literally stepping on a perfume engine. We pair this with soft, plush mosses in the shadier zones of the path. The foot transitions from the firm, warm stone to the cool, yielding herb, sending a signal of absolute safety and luxury to your nervous system. You are transforming a simple backyard chore into a daily self-care ritual. Five. Permeable design. The logic of the unbound walkway. In 2026, sustainable luxury demands that our designs work with nature, not against it. A solid concrete path blocks rainwater, creating runoff and pooling issues in small yards. Our sensory path uses permeable structural logic. Beneath our slate and moss skeleton lies a multi-layered bed of crushed limestone and coarse sand. This allows every drop of spring rain to pass directly through the walkway and back into the earth. The path acts as a natural drainage grid. This is highly functional, but it also creates an aesthetic payoff. After a rainstorm, the wet slate deepens into a rich, dark obsidian tone, while the river stones gleam with moisture. The path reflects the weather, shifting its visual character and maintaining its movement integrity across the changing seasons. Sixth, the final step, engineering grounded luxury. At the end of the day, mastering material alchemy on the ground plane changes how you inhabit your entire home. By focusing on the geometric skeleton of your stone layouts and honoring the contrast of textures, you turn a forgotten transition zone into a destination. You've taken raw stone, loose gravel, and tiny plants and engineered them into a breathtaking revelation. You've used structural logic to build a path that doesn't just guide your body, but settles your mind. Luxury is the clarity of texture underfoot. You've mastered the art of barefoot architecture, and in doing so, you've proven that even the shortest path can lead to infinite volume when every single step is beautiful. Thank you for joining me for this tactile revelation. My prayer for you today is that you stop rushing through your spaces and start building paths that invite you to slow down and breathe. Whether you are laying down a single slate slab or planting creeping thyme in the cracks of your patio, remember that structural logic is the anchor of your piece. If you've designed a sensory path or experimented with barefoot architecture this week, tell me all about it in the comments. I love seeing your material alchemy come alive underfoot. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you this Sunday for our grand sensory reveal, where sound, light, and texture finally become one. Stay grounded. Remember, your home is a living reflection of the path you choose to walk. Don't be afraid to soften your edges, to feel the raw earth, and to build an inspired outdoor area that steps with you. Use your hands, honor the stone, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.